All right, so, hey y'all, Andy McCabe here with Claims Delegates and your Restoration Rebel leader. I want to do a little preview to the summit coming up on May 4th and 5th in Nashville, Tennessee. We're going to do a lot of marketing talk because as an industry, if we want to become more independent, we need to find our own way to get work. I was listening to one of my favorite folks not too long ago today, Gary Vaynerchuk, and he said something that I think we all need to hear. He said some words that I believe should scare people. He was speaking to a group of pool cleaners and pool cleaner supply salesmen. And he said, here's what you guys need to be aware of. Hey, Alexa, I need my pool cleaned. Whether you want to realize it or accept it or not, we are in a new age of service and customer-centric sales and marketing. So I thought I'd try it out. I don't have Alexa, but I have one of these cute little jobbies right here. So let's see how this goes. Hey Google, I need an electrician.
All right, I can help you find an electrician. To find a good fit, I need a few details. What do you need help with?
I need a new light in my kitchen.
Is this for 61,290 Huckleberry Place?
As a matter of fact, it is.
I didn't get that. Is this for 61,290 Huckleberry Place? You
Yes,
can
it
say
is.
yes or no.
Yes, it is.
Sure, I've found 3 electricians and I've emailed you their details. The first is Service Electric Northwest, Inc. from HomeAdvisor. They have an average of 4.84 stars with 62 ratings, are located in Prineville, and are HomeAdvisor screened. Would you like to call them, or hear about the next electrician?
No, thanks.
Sure, check out the email.
So, did you learn anything just now? How important are Google reviews? How important is it to have a Google local business set up? How important is it to realize that no matter what business or service you're in, you are in the mobile attention business. You are in the home services business. These little things are going to change everything. Hey Google, I have water damage in my basement. Hey Google, my roof is leaking. Do you want to be number 1 in that search? Well, we'll show you how in Nashville. Restoration 2.0 Summit, May 4th and 5th. Take care, guys.